Today, I want to share how I create my to-do list. In the past, I would write down the tasks I needed to complete, like clean bedroom. Instead of just writing clean bedroom, I break the task down into smaller, more specific steps, such as vacuuming the room. No matter the size of the task, I made sure to include it on my to-do list. One suggestion I received from you all was to carry a notebook to jot down anything else that needs to be done. The next question from you all is, why do I do this? It helps me avoid worrying about what to do next since everything is on my list. Do I type my to-do list? Yes, I type my to-do list. I use Microsoft Word to create my to-do list. Do I erase what is on my to-do list? No, I do not erase what is on my to-do list. Watch the next video and learn why I do not do this.